So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you 5 Halloween costume ideas that you can actually make designs for, and you can use these with Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, and any other print-on-demand site you use. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on the notification bells. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. We have actually helped a lot of people to get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. However, if you're looking for any extra information, I do happen to have a free print-on-demand start guide that's linked down in the description, as well as a paid step-by-step guide for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing. So yes, today we're going to be talking about Halloween costumes and how you can pretty much implement them onto your Redbubble or print-on-demand designs in general. As you can see here, I'm on Redbubble and I've searched Halloween costume and there's roughly 160,000 results, 942, which is a lot. And a lot of you guys that obviously watch videos similar to this that want to start making Halloween designs will search up different niches and notice that there's a lot of competition. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking it down a little bit and showing you some Halloween costume niches that you can make designs for. Now, just to go off the first page, as you can see, there's quite a few different designs. If we sort this by best selling, it will give you a kind of idea of the kind of styles that people like. Now, from what I can see so far, there's no styles that stand out. For example, this is a design style from GTA, so it doesn't have a specific style. Looking through, we're seeing M&Ms. So far, it's things that would pretty much fall under some sort of trademark. And when you're looking through the first page, you want to look for styles that kind of stand out, like for example the sunset style effect there, and you want to look for things like this, like the distressed effect on designs. Looking for styles that are performing well will give you an idea of how to actually make your own designs when you do find designs you want to work with. Now, like I said at the start of the video, I do actually have 5 Halloween costume niches lined up for you guys. Starting us off with the orange tiger costume for kids. Now, it's currently under kids clothing, mainly because under kids clothing there's only 58 results. I'll show you in a second how many results pop up if you're not searching for kids clothing, but I feel like a good idea in terms of this style of designs is to kind of target it towards kids clothing, because most of these, as you can see, are white, mainly white, besides this one here that's slightly orange, and there was another one here that is red. If you're making this design, you want to make sure that you have this tiger style, so something similar to this in your own way, but with an orange t-shirt like this, and this will allow you to stand out, as not a lot of people are actually doing it here. If I take off kids t-shirts, however, and search, you'll see that it jumps up in results to 118, which is still very, very low, but you're seeing more and more orange t-shirts that have a similar design style to that. You just want to be able to select this option within kids clothing, and the main reason I'm mentioning it now was just to show you how many people have made a design for this niche that haven't actually activated this color under kids clothing. Right guys, so just to quickly show you how to do this, you go on standard print clothing, you click on edit. Once you click on edit, you see this box pop up. You want to click on this grayed out tick, it will have you here. You want to click on here, make sure all the kids clothing is activated. You want to go to defaults. On the drop down, you want to change this to kids t-shirt. Once you click kids t-shirt, the orange then pops up, so you want to select orange and then click apply. As soon as you do that and you click apply changes and you save it fully, your t-shirts will now appear with kids clothing that's showing up as orange, which will work perfectly with the niche we just looked at. Next up, we have this niche here titled "This is my 70s costume." Now, the results are fairly high compared to the one that I just showed you, but it is still a sub niche of the Halloween costume niche. And as you can see, some people have actually scaled this design, made it in different colors. If you were looking to jump into this niche, you'd pretty much make something that stands out, that's quite similar, but in your own way, to allow yourself to give yourself a chance. This one seems slightly saturated, but it's still less than the 100k plus results we saw before. So I just wanted to share it with you guys, as I do feel this is something that is scalable, mainly because you can change it from the 70s, the 80s to the 90s, so on. You can be a little bit more creative with this one. Next up, we have school bus costume. Now, once again, this also has a low amount of results, and it's coming in with 239 results. A lot of these designs are fairly simple. Well, I say fairly simple. If you're artistic, creating something like this from scratch is fairly simple. If you're not artistic, you could find images online that are royalty free to use, that you can use for designs like this. But like I'm saying, the competition here is very, very low, and you can easily jump into niches like this and add your 2 cents into there to potentially get yourself some sales. A lot of people have been very, very creative in this niche. I can see some text-based style designs, as well as just a general Halloween costume designs where you have a bus on the front face, and I feel like these style of designs would perform a lot better. So if you can make something similar to these in your own way, I feel that it would actually go a long way in helping you guys get sales. Next up, we have Halloween Dalmatian costume. Now, this is something that's been popping up quite a lot, and as I've been doing my research, I've seen this a lot, so I thought, why not add it into this video? Like I said, results are low at 395, and a lot of the designs that are in here say pretend I'm a Dalmatian, and it's just a simple text-based design that I'm pretty sure most of you guys could easily make. Some people have actually gone for a Dalmatian print style design. If you feel that you can do that, obviously you could go ahead and try to make something similar to this. But a safe bet, a quick bet, would be to create a design that just says pretend I'm a Dalmatian in a font that stands out, and I feel that a lot of you guys could potentially benefit from something like that. And then we've got this one here. Now it says Halloween deer chest costume. Now it's a bit confusing in regards of what you can see, as there's only 2 results, but if I jump onto Merch Informer, where I found this idea initially, you can see that the t-shirt that's been sold on Amazon is brown, and obviously the chest is like a creamy color like we saw before. Designs like this are designs people will most likely buy on t-shirts, mainly because they'll be planning to buy the antlers separately, or whatever it is they're going to wear on their head, or paint their face separately, and that's why designs like this perform quite well. It's very, very easy to create this. You're literally pretty much putting like an egg on a shirt. You're uploading an egg pretty much, and then making sure that you select the color brown in your t-shirts, and that's something that could potentially do well. Jumping back to Redbubble, there's only 2 results. It doesn't hurt to try to get yourself into this niche, or to try to make something that falls in line with this, so you can use the keywords for this niche. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys, because I feel a lot of you guys are still probably in the process of making your Halloween designs. I have previously covered a video talking about small Halloween niches. If you've not watched that one already, check it out here. If you've made it this far into the video, comment down fancy dress, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.